Hello, today is May 23rd, 2016. Trading is closed. My last call said unless we promptly took out this high, I looked for lower prices. We dropped 4 1/4 handles. I said the ideal situation would be if we would rally up to the 20.55.82 level and then drop. We got as high as 20.55.58. It's close, but it really wasn't a prediction. It was more of a interesting scenario, and close does not count with the MEJT system, so we still have a 20.55.82 target, which ultimately should print. During the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, the market said ultimately both higher and lower prices should print. That's what happened. Typically, when you get an ultimate buy and ultimate sell in the same pattern, most of the time it leads to pretty wishy-washy markets that don't move very much, and that's what happened here. It's important to note that all the targets have been satisfied, so there aren't any new targets from the system for tomorrow. But the ultimate sells have really paid off, and the ultimate buys gave us the minimum and not much over that, and usually ultimate signals give more than the minimum, even though they don't have to. So we have an unfilled ultimate target here, and we have some other ultimate targets from today, which more often than not deliver more than they have. We also have a wall of selling into the close, straight line down. No pullbacks at all. Typically it tends to be the amateurs selling into the close. We were unable to break through these lows until right at the end of the day. That's not usually the time the professionals are going to be selling. Often, but not always, a wall into the close down is followed by gapping up the next day. This is the 65-minute chart. We have 12 bars of countdown of a sequential buy signal. Had we printed 20.47.21 and gone under it, that would have been bar number 13. We came within 5 cents of hitting it. That may be close enough. We have bar number 11 of 13 of a combo buy signal. The last 3 bars don't have to obey all the rules. I'd like to see more of a drop than that. We might get one, but it's kind of an iffy buy signal from that also. This is a daily chart. In the spring, we had bar 13 of a combo sell, bar 13 of a sequential sell. We haven't delivered too much. We dropped some. Today was bar 21 of countdown of the sequential sell. If we get bar 22, the signal is spent, so we're on the verge of canceling the buy signal. And if we move up tomorrow, and if we close over this high, that sell signal, I should say, will be canceled. Here's the Fibonacci pattern. You take this last drop. Here's our close right at the 61.8% retracement level. Here's 50%. You'll see we're playing Fibonacci ping pong. When you have a gap like this, typically it gets filled by a consolidation either before or after the gap, and that's what's happened. So this is just obligatory filling of the gap and a pullback right to a support level with some iffy signals to buy from DeMark and from the wall into the close and from the less than stellar rewards from the ultimate buy signals, as well as this ultimate buy signal from the 20th. If we gap down sharply tomorrow, I think a lot of this positive stuff might not be worth a hill of beans, but if we hold here, and particularly if we gap up and hold it throughout the first hour, I think we have a chance for a good rally tomorrow. Be aware that here's a cup, here's your down-sloping handle, and if we take out this high, we could go significantly higher, and the first target would be the Fibonacci 2062.31, but frankly I think if we can break through this tomorrow, it could go higher than that. So the call for tomorrow is we're at support. We have a chance for a good rally as long as we can hold it in early trading, and that's today's call.